My name is Amelia Terry, a senior at Emory Henry, triple majoring in psychology, civic innovation, and Spanish. I'm excited about your interest in Emory Henry, the place of connections. I invite you to join us for the admissions open house at Emory Henry University on Saturday, March 1st. During the open house, a Blue Gold Ambassador, who is an ENH student like myself, will give you a tour of our campus. Catch a glimpse of our student residence facilities where students make themselves at home. You'll also have the opportunity to eat lunch in our Van Dyke Dining Hall. You have the opportunity to learn firsthand about the ENH experience by asking faculty and students your burning questions. You can also speak to an admissions counselor about how to apply, financial aided scholarships, student success and career goals, and much more. Register today on the Emory Henry website, and we look forward to seeing you on campus.